Attention woodworkers, get 40 woodworking plans and a 440-page guidebook absolutely free. Discover the ultimate resource for woodworkers. Gain instant access to 40 free woodworking plans and dive into the art of woodworking, a comprehensive 440-page guidebook, all at no cost. This is your gateway to mastering woodworking, offering tons of tips, techniques, videos, and guides tailored for woodworkers of all levels. Highlights include workshop essentials, everything you need to set up an efficient workspace, tools and skills, an in-depth look at essential tools and how to use them effectively, measuring, marking, and layout, precision techniques to start your projects right, cutting, drilling, and shaping. Master the art of shaping wood to your will. Wood joinery, secrets to strong and durable connections, clamping, gluing, and fastening. Ensure your projects last with these tips. Sanding and finishing, the final touches that make your project stand out. Beyond the guide, look forward to more free resources and plans sent directly to your inbox, including 5 workbench projects within the next 24 hours. And there's more, thousands more plans. Get instant access to all 16,000 woodworking plans with step-by-step details, photos, materials lists, and more. Don't miss out on this incredible woodworking resource. Click the link below this video to begin your next project with confidence and creativity.